All right, we're gonna do one more example of a quadratic inequality. And the reason why I wanna do this one in particular is because it's kind of like a trick question if you're not really paying attention. All right, so we got 3x squared plus 4 is greater than 0. So typically we would get our factors, but if you look at this quadratic function, there's no clean factor for it. So you might think, how are we gonna do an infinity table without any factors? And the answer to that question is you can't. But look, we want positive values of the quadratic function to satisfy this inequality. If you look at the whole quadratic function, x is being squared, which is a positive number, is being multiplied by 3, positive 3, which makes that whole 3x squared a positive term, and is being added by 4, positive 4, which is another positive term, which means everything is positive. All values of x is going to make this thing positive, so all values of x satisfy this inequality, which is just another way of saying the set of all real numbers between negative infinity and positive infinity, all real numbers, is the solution. So there's a couple ways we could write out the answer. We could simply write just in all words, x is equal to the set of all real numbers, just straight up words. Or we can use symbolic form. It really just depends on what your teacher wants. The upside down A means for all or all. And the little e thing, the epsilon, means an element of. And that big R means the set of real numbers. So it reads, for all values of x as an element of the set of real numbers. So it's the same thing. It's just some professors might want it written one way. I typically write it both ways just to be 100% certain I get it correct. But yeah, that's it. We're done. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment about what problems you want to see solved. All right, peace.